Number 10. Ducati 1098s, 271 km per hour. This fast motorcycle was an innovation of Ducati from Italy. It's using L twin-cylinder engine with 4-valve for each cylinder with desmodromic and liquid-cooled. The top speed that can be reached by this motorcycle is 169 miles per hour, 271 km per hour, while the power of this Ducati can reach 119.3 kilowatts, 160.0 bhp, at 9,750 revolutions per minute. This Ducati 1098s is using 6-speed chain transmissions. Number 9. BMW K1200S, 278 km per hour. This cool motorcycle is manufactured by BMW. It's using 16 valves with 4-cylinder. The engine is DOHC, horizontal inline and liquid-cooled. The top speed that can be reached by this motorcycle is 174 miles per hour, 278 km per hour. You can expect this motorcycle to produce 164.94 horsepower, 120.4 kilowatts, at 10,250 RPM. The transmission used by this fast motorcycle is 6-speed manual transmission. Number 8. Aprilia RSV1000 R-Mil, 278 km per hour. This fast motorcycle is coming from the factory of Aprilia. It's using 998cc 60-degree V-twin engine. You can expect this motorcycle to reach 175 miles per hour, 278 km per hour, for its top speed. This motorcycle can produce 105.24 kW, 143.09 PS, 141.13 horsepower, at 1,000 revolutions per minute. This Aprilia motorcycle is using 6-speed chain drive transmission system. Number 7. Kawasaki Ninja ZX11, ZZR1100, 283 km per hour. This stylish motorcycle is manufactured by Japan-based company, Kawasaki. It's using 1052cc 4-strokes, 4-cylinder, DOHC, liquid-cooled engine. You can reach 176 miles per hour, 283 km per hour, if you accelerate this motorcycle. The power produced by this motorcycle is 108 kilowatts, 147 PS, at 10,500 revolutions per minute. This motorcycle is using 6-speed transmission as some of other fastest motorcycles. Number 6. MV Agusta F4 1000R, 299 km per hour. This motorcycle is manufactured by Agusta of Italy. The motorcycle is powered by 4-cylinder, 16 radial valves, DOHC, liquid-cooled engine. Top speed ever reached by this motorcycle is 176 miles per hour, 299 km per hour. The power output that can be produced by this motorcycle is 128 kW, 174 horsepower. The transmission system used by this motorcycle is multi-disc wet cloth on 6-speed cassette gearbox. Number 5. Yamaha YZF R1, 297 km per hour. This motorcycle is produced by renowned Japan's motorcycle manufacturer, Yamaha. The engine used for this motorcycle is forward inclined parallel 4-cylinder, 20 valves, DOHC, liquid-cooled. This motorcycle can be expected to reach 186 miles per hour, 297 km per hour, on its top speed. This motorcycle can produce 128.2 horsepower, 95.6 kW, at 10,000 revolutions per minute. It's using constant mesh 6-speed transmission system. Number 4. Honda CBR1100XX Blackbird, 310 km per hour. This motorcycle was released by Japan leading motorcycle manufacturer, Honda. This motorcycle is using 1137cc, liquid-cooled, 4-cylinder engine. The engine can make this motorcycle reach 190 miles per hour, 310 km per hour, while it's running on top speed. This motorcycle can produce 114 kW, 153 horsepower, at 10,000 revolutions per minute power. The transmission system used by this motorcycle is close ratio 6-speed transmission. Number 3. MTT Turbine Superbike Y2K, 365 km per hour. This superbike is running using Rolls-Royce 250C20 turboshaft engine. The top speed can be reached by this motorcycle is 227 miles per hour, 365 km per hour, while it can produce 320 horsepower, 239 kW, at 52,000 revolutions per minute. The transmission system used by this motorcycle is different than other motorcycle by simply using 2-speed automatic transmission. Number 2. Suzuki Hayabusa, 397 km per hour. This Japanese origin motorcycle is using 1340 cc, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled, DOHC, 16-valve engine. This Suzuki manufactured motorcycle can reach 248 miles per hour, 392 km per hour, on its top speed. The power can be produced as 197 horsepower, 147 kW, at 6,750 revolutions per minute. Transmission system used is 6 speeds with constant mesh. Number 1. Dodge Tomahawk, 560 km per hour. This Dodge Tomahawk is very limited motorcycle that use 10-cylinder, 90° V-type engine. It can reach 350 miles per hour, 560 km per hour, when it's on top speed. This motorcycle can produce 500 horsepower, 370 kW, at 5,600 revolutions per minute. This motorcycle is using a simple transmission system by using just 2-speed manual transmission.